So for me, learning the subject office and system management was really helpful and practical. I realized that managing an office is not just about doing a paperwork, but it's really about creating a system that helps people work efficiently and comfortably. I learned that office and system management is about all about organizing people, organizing tasks, and resources para maging smooth ang flow ng work. And sa office organization management, I learned how it is important to have a clear structure and clear roles sa isang company. Kasi kapag malinaw ang responsibilities, mas madali ang coordination at mas less confusion. Then, when we discuss office layout, I realized na the design of the workplace actually affects productivity. Like when employees are employees are comfortable, they more become focused and motivated to their work, di ba? And next, record management. I learned how important it is to keep documents safe and also organized and easy to find. Lalo na ngayon na most of the files digital na. It really helps the office run smoothly. When it comes to managing office meetings, I learned that meetings should be well planned, may clear purpose, and time bound para para hindi sayang yung oras ng lahat. Then then the last topic, yung sa MIS, Management Information System, I saw how technology help managers make better decisions through accurate data and reports. Lastly, the topic na pahabol, yung trends in administration and management made me realize na the modern office is always changing. So, we have to adapt a new tools, remote work setups, and automation para maging efficient and competitive tayo. So, overall, um, this subject, the OSM subject, taught me that being an effective office manager means being organized and people oriented. It's not just about managing the system, but also about managing the people behind it. So that's all, everyone. Thank you.